Hi my friend, I just finished a beautiful run. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and so no, I went out at 5 o'clock. So this is my two van. One is here, and one is over there. You see, it's dark here in Scotland. It's the end of January 2021, and the ice is outside. I can show you how it's frosty. See, this my other van, and it was amazing. You know what I'm thinking is a lot of times since I was in my 30. Now I'm in my 50. Okay, 2021. I'm in my 50. But since I was in my 30, okay, I've got people say, "Hey, I'm 30. I'm getting older. I'm getting older." You know, all the time you think like that. You are training your body, your cells, your brain to be old. Okay, I'm 50 this year, and I feel so strong, full of energies, amazing. I've just done 5 kilometers of running, beautiful. Usually I do 10, but today I'm busy. I've got private clients to serve. Today I got private clients to serve, catering, and so I'm doing short one, 5 kilometers, and done. You know, the things I wanted to tell to you, and do your own research. Okay, do your own research. When you wake up in the morning, if you want to lose weight, or even if you want to get energy, so what you need to do is to make your metabolism work. You need to make your metabolism work. And I've got a bicycle in the house, okay? I can do a short bike to make my metabolism start, my metabolism working, or I love to run, and I'm going out, even if it's raining, snowing, or icing, I'm going out and I run, and I start to make my metabolism work. And then if you take care to what you eat, yeah, try to eat a lot of vegetable, but if you take care to what you eat, you get a lot of energies back, and you lose your belly fat, and you're getting fit. And no matter the age that you have, you are getting fit. Okay, I go now. This is instead of my vlogging that I'm doing, I start to do this week, it will be this one. And I see you next time. Cheers, Giuseppe.